In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your Squarespace website to another account. This process is straightforward and we'll walk through it step by step to ensure everything is clear and simple. We'll cover everything from logging in to finalizing the transfer process. So let's get started. First up, you'll need to head over to Squarespace and click on the login button. You should see it prominently displayed on the home page. Once you've clicked on login, you'll want to continue by selecting continue with Google. This option makes things a breeze if you're already logged into your Google account on the device you're using. Click on that and you'll be directed to select the Google account that you use for Squarespace. After you've successfully logged in, the next thing you want to do is click on your website from the dashboard. This will take you to your website's management page where all the magic happens. With your website open, our next step is to navigate to the settings area. There, you'll proceed to click on the permissions and ownership section. This is crucial because it's where you'll manage all owner-related settings for your site. Once you're in the permissions and ownership menu, click on the option that again says permissions and ownership. This might seem repetitive, but it's essential to ensure you're in the correct sub-menu to handle ownership transfers. Next, you'll find the transfer ownership option prominently listed. Go ahead and click on that. This step leads us to an important point, confirming the ownership transfer process. For security purposes, Squarespace requires you to confirm your identity. This is done by signing in with your Google account once again, so you'll want to follow the prompt to sign back in. Make sure you're signing in with the same Google account you used initially to access Squarespace. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've now successfully navigated through transferring your Squarespace website to another account. This process ensures that ownership is securely and smoothly moved to the designated recipient. If you run into any difficulties or have questions during any of these steps, experiencing any problems is entirely understandable. Don't hesitate to reach out to Squarespace support, who can offer more personalized assistance to your specific case. Thank you for joining me in this video. I hope this walkthrough made the ownership transfer process clear and manageable. Good luck with your website and see you in the next video.